Hello, today's going to be something a little bit different. I am here with a wig, a very long wig, I believe 24 inches. And I'm going to be coloring this wig for a friend of mine over in the US. He has sent this to me very kindly to do whatever color I like. So I'm thinking about first giving it a deep cleanse shampoo, then giving it a purple shampoo to just take out some of that gold. And then I was thinking of doing some kind of reverse rainbow balayage so that I don't have to worry about getting any color or any staining on that cap there. Yeah, so this is what that video is going to be about. That is the bucket that I use to wash my car. So I'm going to fill that with just like lukewarm water. I'm going to put in a clarifying shampoo, and I'm going to just sort of gently dunk the wig in just to get all that stuff off, and then we'll give it a purple shampoo. Alright, so that's just been filled with lukewarm water. Now I'm going to put in some deep cleansing shampoo. Oh, shoot. Doing things one-handed is hard. And I can certainly tell that something is coming off this hair, because when I take the wig out, I can see that the water has gone a little bit cloudy. So definitely whatever was on there is sort of coming out a little bit. Just by the looks of that water, going a little cloudy. And the next step will be to replace this water and do exactly the same thing, except instead of using this, I'm going to use some of this. I'm just literally going to start with one pump and mix it all up, because you certainly don't want to get clumps of color on the wig. Like hell no. I think I'd cry if that happened. So, wow. And you can see how much that's changed the water just with one pump of that purple shampoo. It's very concentrated. I'm just going to spend a bit of time here just making sure that this is all, like, that there's no clumps left, you know? Okay, so I'm pretty confident that that's well mixed now. That is only one pump of this purple shampoo. I don't want to make it grey or anything like that. I really just want to take that edge off just so that it's not like a yellow blonde, you know what I mean? So again, just holding the cap and the lace, I'm going to just fully submerge this wig. And wow, I can already see that that has changed the color, like instantly. Give it a few minutes like that, and then we'll see if I like the tone. If I don't like it, maybe I'll add a little bit more purple shampoo and just repeat the process, but I'm just going to give that 2 minutes and then check it. So I'm back after about 2 minutes of submersion, and I'm just going to have a look at what I've got. Okay, yep. So you can see that that is definitely different from when I first put it in. It's way less yellow and it's looking like more of a natural kind of blonde. I still think I do want just a little bit more though. So I think what I'm going to do is just take it out, one more pump of my purple shampoo, and just make sure that there's no bumps, and then I'm going to do the same process, but maybe just put it in and just check it after like 30 seconds, because I don't want to overdo it, but that's way, way better. Nice. Very nice. Now, I didn't really show you or tell you, but I did end up actually rinsing that quite thoroughly out so that the purple shampoo was definitely out before I began drying it. And this is what we've got. So this has just been taken out from a rinse, and I've just squeezed it with a towel. So you can see it looks very nice and natural. It's got a little bit of movement in there. Now what I'm going to do is just give it a quick spray with a porosity equalizer. I've got no conditioner in here. It's just been the 2 shampoos and rinse. So spray a little bit of the porosity equalizer I have, which is this one. Just a light spray, and then I'm going to get to drying. So this is how she's dried up. Very nice. And certainly a bit less yellow than it was originally. And it's feeling even thicker than it was originally. So that's really awesome. Nice texture. And now I'm going to start applying some colour. This is what I've got, my palette. I will set you up on a tripod and you can watch me paint. I can't believe I forgot to press record. So we've processed for about 20 minutes now. That's how it's looking. I'm ready to rinse this color off, but I'm not 100% happy with the blonde still. I'm feeling like it's still a little bit more golden than I would like. So what I might do is 2 pumps of this and 1 pump of this, which is a pink shampoo. Let's see what happens. And I'm gonna focus it on the blonde hair too, not the color. So I've got the colored part here and I've got the blonde parts here. So we'll just put the blonde part in there mostly. And I've done the rainbow colors like mostly through the ends anyway, so I shouldn't bother it too much. Yep, I'm gonna stop because I don't want to go overboard. I'm happy with how that's looking now. Now I'm going to rinse it really well to get all the shampoo out, and then I'm going to put it in the bucket with a bit of conditioner. Probably more than conditioner, probably a nice deep conditioning treatment. I'm using cold water. Now I'm just going to leave that for 5 minutes and then I'll come back, rinse it out, and then we will dry it off and be back with the results.